Hello and welcome to Everyday English Story. Here, you'll improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence in English, all while enjoying inspiring and meaningful stories. Right finger, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you stay consistent and never miss your daily English story. Now, let's begin today's story. He had no bed, no school, no shoes. He ate one meal a day, and went to sleep hugging his own dreams. People called him useless. Life tried to break him. But today, the world stands up when he walks in. This is the story of Ravi, a boy who had nothing, but changed everything. Welcome to Daily English Story, where you don't just learn English, you learn how to rise. Ravi was born in a small village. Mud house. No electricity, no clean water. His father was a daily wage worker. His mother did housework for others. They had 3 children, and just one piece of bread to share some nights. Rain leaked into their roof. Ravi studied under a street light at night, because they couldn't afford a lamp. His classmates teased him, "Your shirt is torn, your feet are dirty." Ravi never replied. He just looked down, smiled, and kept reading his old book. Inside, he made a silent promise. One day, I will wear shoes. I will wear a suit. And I will make people clap for me. Ravi saw a government officer once. Tall, clean, powerful. He looked at that man and said, "One day, I will become like him." He told his family about his dream. His father laughed. His mother said, "Beta, dreams are good. But life is different." But Ravi was different. He read torn newspapers, borrowed books from neighbors. Sometimes, he studied with a candle. Sometimes, with no light at all. People called him mad. Why waste time reading? You will still work in the field. But Ravi replied, "Books are my tools. My future is not in the mud. It's in these pages." He failed his first board exam. People said, "We told you. This is not for poor kids." He cried. He thought about giving up. But then he remembered his promise. He woke up at 4 a.m., studied before going to work. He worked part-time in a tea shop. He cleaned tables with one hand, held books with the other. No internet, no tuition, no help. Only hard work and belief. On his second attempt, he passed. In college, things got harder. English lectures, computers, big city. Ravi felt small, lost, weak. He didn't understand anything at first. He cried alone in his room. He called his mother and said, "I can't do this. I don't belong here." She replied, "Ravi, you were born with less. But you are not less. You are more hardworking, more brave. Never forget that." That night, Ravi wiped his tears and studied till 3 a.m. And he kept doing that. Every day, a teacher noticed him. "You ask the best questions. You are sharp, Ravi. Keep going." That one sentence gave him hope. He improved in English, learned computers. He made his first website in college. He joined coding competitions, lost many, won some, but most importantly, he started believing in himself. Ravi got an internship in a tech company. He had never seen an air-conditioned office before. He wore his old shirt, sat quietly, listened, learned. Within months, he became the best performer. The company offered him a job. Ravi, the boy who once carried bricks, was now carrying a laptop. He tried building his own startup. It failed. Investors rejected him. "You don't have experience," they said. He went into depression, felt like he was back in that dark mud house. But one message from his mother changed everything. Even if the world closes its door, don't close your heart. Try again. He stood up, tried again. He built a new startup. This time, it worked. He hired students from villages. He gave scholarships to kids who couldn't afford school. His story was covered in newspapers. He became a TEDx speaker. And when he visited his village again, people gathered to see him. Ravi stood up, in a clean suit, wearing shoes. People clapped. He looked at the crowd and whispered to himself, "I kept my promise." Are you from a small place? Are you scared? Are you poor? Do you feel like you don't belong? Then remember Ravi. He started with nothing, but he kept going. So can you. Don't give up. Your future is waiting for you. Did you enjoy this story? Right finger subscribe now for more powerful and inspiring English stories. To boost your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence in English, every day. I'll be back tomorrow with a brand new story, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you're always ready for the next story.